What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. It has been a while since I've done any Diana, so I thought I'd check out some more stuff that she's got going on now. I don't know how to pronounce this song whatsoever. It's not in Latin letters, so I don't know what this is called, but let's just check it out. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and come hang out with me on Instagram. Let's go guys. First reaction to whatever this is, but it's from Diana. I've done a little bit of it before, and she is absolutely amazing.
Уникальная девочка, победительница второго сезона международного вокального шоу «Ты супер», обладательница гран-при суперсезона «Ты супер», и, между прочим, видео с ее выступлениями, ты помнишь, сколько посмотрели?
Больше 10 миллионов.
Больше, нет, ее выступление на проекте набрало в интернете более 350 миллионов просмотров к этому моменту. Итак, встречайте, Диана Анкудинова.
Diana Anкудинова. She is unbelievable, unbelievable. I'm kind of in the dark today as well, guys, but don't worry about that. I'm sorting it out, I'm sorting it out.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
The intense and passion from Diana is unbelievable. Good stage presence, strong stage presence. I don't know what this song is.
Саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой, где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
She's got quite deep vocals for a female, but with that female undertone, which is really, really unique.
В тишине ходит и брань, ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Wow, such good vocals. Very raw.
Саваном белым
Wow. It's the intensity that she puts through. Short song, but goddamn, very
Ваши
intense.
аплодисменты, Диана Анкудинова.
I genuinely don't know what this song's called. It's called Be.
Как же хочется, чтобы таких проектов, как «Ты супер», было на нашем телевидении еще и еще больше, весь мир узнавал таких, как Диана.
Yeah, Diana is absolutely unbelievable, guys. She is very, very, very loved in Russia and across the globe, of course. But I mean, I do know that Russia and India really love Diana. Let me know in the comments below, anybody who's English speaking, let me know in the comments below what you recommend next that's not from the HTB Russian channel, because they block everything. But if you let me know where to go next, I will definitely check out some more Diana, because she's absolutely unbelievable. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Come check out with me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video.